This is my new hydroponic system. I have a mixture of Swiss chard, that's rainbow, Fort Hook, bright lights. I have chives, kohlrabi, the purple and white. I got white turnips and red purple top turnips. We got Georgia collard greens, some Tasso mustard, Florida broadleaf mustard, onion, Tokyo white, a couple different types of spinach, a bunch of different types of tomato plants. We got carrot, little finger, short and sweet, some eggplant, watermelon, sugar babies, black cherry tomatoes, sun gold tomatoes, mortgage lifter tomatoes. The pepper plants we have grown is king bell pepper and California wonder.